Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I thought I would share with you my Neverfulls, and I'm laughing because Louis Vuitton has come out with that what is it, Inside Out Neverfulls, and then me being, you know, new to YouTube, when I was looking up Neverfulls, it's amazing about how many videos that say, oh, they're out of date and they're basic, and it's like, okay, well, then I guess I'm a basic betch. That's the only nice way I could think of saying this. I have always loved the Neverfulls. I don't care if people say they're basic. You know what? I don't care. I just love them. And I do love the special edition ones. And I have these two, and I've been on the hunt for the Tahitian collection that came out in 2017. I totally missed that here in Canada, but the prices that they're asking are just like that's a hard no for me, because I know that bag cost in Canada, I'm gonna say 1,800, maybe the highest was 2,000, and people are asking like $3,000 Canadian without the pouch, without the dust bag. So I guess, you know, that's their right, but then it's my right to say no. I can live without a dust bag, but you know what? I like the stuff that it comes with. And speaking of stuff, these two Neverfulls are quite old. As you can see from my videos, my collection is old, because you know what? It's old. I kind of did things backwards. My first designer purse, you know, in my late teens was a Chanel, and then I kind of went to Coach, and then when I had kids, I had Guess, and then in the early 2000s, I started collecting Louis Vuitton. And just like I love Chanel, I love Louis Vuitton, and you know, it's just one of those brands that I feel on YouTube gets a really, really bad, I don't know, bad rep, bad things, whatever. But every time I've gone into the, we have two in Vancouver, the boutiques here, I've been treated so well, and lately, the last two times, I haven't bought a thing. So yeah, I guess it's, you know, it's different everywhere, but I can honestly say from my opinion, they are a really good brand. I've had no issues with them. In fact, speaking of issues, this iCat bag is from 2013, and like all these Neverfulls at the time, this one had glazing issues with the handles. Now, my glazing issues didn't present itself until maybe when my youngest graduated, so like 2017, and I just didn't bother to get it. My husband treated it with, you know, he's a car guy, so he has all these cleaning and polishing stuff, and I used that, and it did get the stickiness out. McGuire's Leather Care, that's what it was called. But they do kind of look, they are looking worn right now, and you can see some down here, it's quite worn, and on the inside. But what I have heard now is that this color can now actually be repaired by Louis Vuitton. So I'm gonna actually look into that to see if they can replace these handles. Oh, here we go. You can see this one at the back. The glazing is really bad. But like I said, this didn't present itself until I had the bag for 4 or 5 years. So, and when I do store this bag, I fill it to the top, and then I also again make sure that these handles are protected either with a microfiber cloth, or even just sometimes I just use tissue paper, especially this summer when it was really hot and it was really hot in my dressing room, I would just put it like that, just so I don't get any stickiness. But I haven't had that issue, but you can actually see that I haven't had that issue since I used the leather treatment that my husband gave me that he uses for his car. But I would like it to get kind of repaired, because I really do love this bag. And this is another bag that I usually bring out in the fall. And what I love about this is, look at that interior. Like, oh my gosh, is that not gorgeous or what? Comes with the zipper pocket. It's got the little logo here on the zipper pull, and that's the only pocket. But it's a huge bag. I'm not even going to do what fits in my bag, because it's a Neverfull. Everything fits in it. It's Neverfull. I've taken this traveling, and I love it. Like, I can pack so much in it, and then just put a scarf or a cardigan at the top. It has, you know, the clip here. I'll just clip it here for you. Let's see, can I do this? Yes. Like that. And then also you could cinch it in like all the other Neverfulls, like all the other basic batches. But I never cinch it in. It stays like that. So, and I usually have like a charm or something like that. But today I just been looking at this and cleaning it and getting ready for fall, and trying to actually decide if I'm actually going to take this one when I go traveling or not. So yeah, that is the iCat Neverfull. My next one here. Oh my gosh, this roses collection, like, isn't this gorgeous? Look at the vibrant of the pink, the green, and the orange. And I'm not an orange fan. Never have been, never will be. But on this bag, the brightness of the orange is just, is gorgeous. And this one, 2009? Yes, 2009. And those times in, you know, 2009 to 2013, I was actually really big into the Neverfulls. I still had my youngest at home, and I was carrying these big totes with like everything in them. But I do remember looking at the Speedy, and I just thought, oh my gosh, I would love to get the Speedy. But of course, by the time I, you know, decided to, they were, you know, sold out in Vancouver, of course. So, but I was fortunate enough to get this one. I'll show you. And it's, the vachetta has patinaed into this nice, I'd say light honey color. The inside of this one, of course, because it was pink. And what I really like about it is the pocket. Let's see, can you guys? It has with the old cursive Louis Vuitton writing. Hands down, one of my favorite. I like that cursive writing. And this one is, yeah, they're all, I think the limited editions are all made in France. I could be wrong, but this one's made in France, and same with the other one. And it's got the nice vachetta inside. As you can see, I do not use an organizer. I just used one this past trip when I went to Portugal with my Epi Speedy 30, but the Neverfulls, I don't believe I've never used an organizer. I keep all my stuff in pouches and things like that. So once it goes in there, it's pretty easy for me to find. So let me just step back. Outfit of the day, Louis Vuitton t-shirt, Joseph Ribkoff, which is a Canadian brand. These pants, they are so old. And then Christian Louboutins for the heels, which they are also very old. But yeah, this is a season where I kind of bring out all my Neverfulls. I don't know why. In the summer, I'm more about the Speedy and the Chanels, and then the fall is when I really like to use these bags. And I'll show you with the pink. So yeah, just sharing my love of the Neverfull with you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. That would be awesome. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.